Got a brand new water. Very nice, huh? I'm gonna make it explode.
Oh, you know how to pop it? I'll pop it.
I don't think it's gonna pop.
I know how to pop it.
You know how to pop it?
You're gonna record?
Yeah, I'm gonna record. Oh,
Throw
get away from it. Oh yeah, try to like, he's cheating. Oh shit! Oh my god. Yo, the guy, look at. Yo, hit the gritty.
No, you hit it.
Nah. Oh shit, holy fuck. Yo, you broke the cap, yo.
Stop the cap.
Oh. Oh fuck, is this destroying your water? Oh. Let me drink some. Put it on the ground. Oh, never mind, it dumped on the floor. Oh, whoa. There's no more left.
Yep.
What happened?
What the fuck? Why'd you throw it at me? Meg! You just got Meg.
Holy shit. Oh. Never mind.
That's my mom, bro.
Oh, that's your mother?
Stop recording.
No, alright, I'll stop. I'll stop. I found a cap, dude. It's a good one?
I'll record.
How the fucking world?
I gotta go,
I
boy.
got a cap.
I gotta go, boy. I'm gonna face this thing at you. Alright, hold on.
Go. Oh my fucking god!
Please don't press like that.
Ah, sorry, bro. Oh my god, you literally did one hit, dude.
Yo, why would you put your mouth on that?
What?
Why would you put your mouth on that?
I don't know. So I can make it swollen, make it expand. Seeing if I can catch it. Seeing if he can catch it. Let's see if I can explode it. Oh fuck!
Nah, Coke doesn't work.
Oh, yeah, it's
Let's try to gather.
Let's see it.
Let's try to gather.
Fuck that shit.
Bro, let's try to gather as many plastic bottles right here.
Great.
Yo, can I ride your bike? Can I ride it real quick?
Fucking. Oh yeah. It did not work. I fucking can, bro. Didn't work. I might have germs now. That was disgusting. I'm sorry. Alright, it's a little bit of open, so.
I'll explode it later. I'll be back.
Bro. Let's see if the water bottle will break. Maybe a double, bro. Maybe a double. Oh, I found a cap. What the fuck? It's bent. Nice. Crystal Glacier. No, we can't hurt those. But we hurt the great value. Because the Walmart sucks. The ground's a little wet, so let's just do this. 3, 2, 1. Fucking can't. This cone is moving. Yo, can I explode it?
No.
I'll put it. I'll leave it right there, bro. My basketball. Ugh. Wait. Oh, I just gave my brain a big idea in that fucking car. Joe and Rodney. Fuck, I found a Mento. Yo, I found a Mento. Holy shit. I just found a Mento, bro. Alright, I'm gonna put it in the bottle. I don't like football. I said no. The Mento's in. The people don't care. Alright. Now, let me just find a cap. Nice. Look at cap. Still in. My burps are in there. They're about to be crunched. Now. Alright, now let's do this. Oh shit. Oh, you hit the truck, bro. You hit the truck. Damn. What the hell?
Let's play routes.
Okay. It didn't even work. The biker boy. I'm gonna explode. I'm gonna make it explode. Alright. It smells like mint in that shit. Bro. I keep forgetting to make it loose. But alright. Alright, thanks for watching. I'm done.